Hi friends, good evening. Today it is 19/6/2022 and the time is 9:36. I've already covered a video on Dow Jones, Nasdaq and BTC and USD as well as S&P and clearly mentioned that it was at a very crucial stage and possibility of bottom formation. Okay, so you can go back and watch that video which I've already published in my YouTube video, and this is going to be on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And today we had a webinar on how Pitchfork will be used to find the bottom. And we had a detailed discussion, and more or less all our indices is at the bottom. I'm talking about all our other indices like Nifty Auto, Nifty Metals, Pharma, and all that. So I don't want to cover everything in detail, and I don't want to do a lot of putting trend line, RSI, weekly, divergence, all that. No, I don't want to do anything. This is going to be a very simple and crisp video. Just watch this. Okay. And before that, we will see what we discussed on, last week on the number front and how it worked. Okay. So this is our last week numbers for weekly numbers for Nifty. Buy is not triggered, sell triggered below this, and it came and achieved this number, which is my miracle number, which is 15,625, and we clearly mentioned below 15,625 target is 15,376, and it happened on the expiry day itself. So it was a bang on week for us last week. And if you go to Bank Nifty, yes, from this number 34,596 to 32,976, and below this we already told the number also, and we made that on Thursday. So Friday, I clearly mentioned my followers. It's going to be before market opens itself. I clearly told my followers, don't do anything today. It's going to be a premium meeting day. Better to sit quiet. So nothing happened on Friday. It was a dull day going up and down, but we predicted this much before market opens. It is there. I mentioned in my WhatsApp group also. So now let's go and see the chart. There's a very simple thing how we use fortune signals to find the top or the bottom. That's all. Okay. So now I don't want to put any trend line. Just watch this. So now, okay, let's go to WhatsApp group. So this was the first day on Friday. Okay. So clearly I mentioned on Friday, friends, today is I'm going to concentrate only on stock. I think mostly premium meeting day. Watch only Adani Enterprises. This I put it on 8:34, and whole day Friday was zigzag, no movement, nothing. So we left out. We didn't do anything, and we are not holding any position with us. Okay. So now, and we had a very detailed discussion on what we are going to do for coming week, because 21st, 22nd, 23rd are the crucial combination dates which is going to happen. And in my last week forecast, I've clearly mentioned 17th was the important date for Nifty, and the same 17th is following here. If you see here, the 17th was this date, and again this date is coming on 29th of July. 29th of July. So watch out. So 7th, as of now, 17th July candle is very important for us on a day perspective. And obviously, 21st is the important day. So now let's go back and see in fortune signals. So this is what I claimed from the beginning in fortune signals. Whenever there is a buy, the next candle has to close above this buy signal to show it is genuine. Otherwise, it is a trap. And this is what happened here. It was a clear trap. And you can go back and check my videos. I clearly said if the next candle is not closing above this candle, we are going to see the fall. The same thing happened. Again, it went up. On 4th April, I made the same video for 4th April. Again said, will it be genuine or not? If not genuine, again it will come down. The same thing happened. This candle is not closed above this candle, where people got trapped. And it started falling. So we don't need any other indicator to judge the market. Our fortune signals is more than enough to judge the market where the people will get trapped. Simple. Okay. So now, what is the possibility? So now, all in daily front, everything looks ugly. broken the very important level of 16,670, sorry 15,670, and came down another 300 points. All that is happened. So now everybody is talking about 14,500, 12,500, all that. Even I'm also saying the same thing. But will it happen here? Is the question. Okay, so now let's go to weekly. So please remember this logic. Please remember this logic. Whenever a buy candle comes, if the next candle is not close to below, closed above this candle high, it means it is a fake buy. Okay, it is a trap. The same happens on the ulta side also. On the ulta side also. Okay. For example, let's say if you go to Adani Port, I'm just giving you an example. Okay. So let's go to Adani Port on daily. So the buy came somewhere in the down. Okay, way back 318. Okay. So then after that it came down all the way and it gave a sell here on 17th June 2021. Okay, the sell got initiated, but the next candle is not closed below this candle. It means this is the bottom of the stock where people got trapped here. Where people got trapped here and sold everything, and from there it was a miracle run. So even now, only after year it has become genuine sell. So you need to understand this logic. Whenever the sell comes, the next candle has to close below this low of this candle to say it is a genuine sell. Otherwise, it is a fake sell and it is a trap where many people will get trapped, and then the market will start moving up on the against them, and then obviously everybody will get trapped. The same thing, the example which I'm showed in Adani Port, the same thing happened in Nifty in weekly last week. So now it gave a sell. So coming week, if it doesn't close below the low of this week, please take this condition, below the low of this week, then bottom is done. We are at least moving for minimum 1,000 points move from here on the upside. The condition is it should not close below this candle low because the sell has initiated. So if it has to become genuine, you need one more candle here. This is the coming week candle, must close below this low to show it is genuine sell. If not, we are going back in ulta. Most probably we'll try to go and touch these levels. First will be the hurdle will be 15,670, and the second level which I'm expecting is 15,798 in the coming next 2 weeks time. The only criteria is it should not close below this low. If it closes below this low, God only can save Nifty. And we are in a very crucial, important yearly date, which is 21st June. And we have a combination date, which is 21, 22, 23, and including 24th also is very crucial. But as of now, we will use 17th high and low. Last week, I mentioned in my weekly forecast, 17th was a very important day. So we will use that itself. We don't need to go much in detail. So now coming to Nifty, if this has given a sell initiation, if the next candle doesn't go below here, possibility of U-turn, and everybody wants this possibility. So I don't want to give a lot of bearishness because this is the first time I'm talking about little bullishness, and we started moving 20% of money from, this is what I've said, and we are doing it on Monday, 20% from balance advantage funds to aggressive funds. Remaining 80% will be in liquid and balance advantage in case if the market comes down badly. Anyway, it's going to come in the later point of time. So we'll be using it. So what I'm saying, there will be a temporary bounce back because the sell initiated here. So if it has to be, it should be a fake for it to go upside. Let's see, fingers crossed. But when you go to Bank Nifty, it has broken this. It has not given a sell call. Till now, it has not given a sell call, Bank Nifty. So when you compare Nifty to Bank Nifty is looking a little bit okay. But if you take higher high, higher low, lower low formation, everything was broken. Okay. Now, This candle, what's this? Very simple. This candle is close to below this red color line, right? But this candle is not close to below this candle low. It means till it holds this candle low, I don't want even this candle, till it doesn't close below this candle low in Bank Nifty made the bottom. Bank Nifty made the bottom in case if it doesn't break this week low and close. Whether it is going to give a sell call here, sell initiation here, all that I don't know. What I'm saying, till because this candle broken this red color line, which is the fortune signal red color line, and the next week candle is not close to below this. And if you see, it is closed above only. So till it holds this week candle low, which is this number 32,536, I think bottom is done. But let's watch. Giving a bullish call at this point of time is very, very difficult. And all the numbers I've already given in my PPT. So go and work. This is the simple way we understand fortune signals, and this works like a mad. And this works even in 1 minute time frame, 3 minute time frame, 5 minute time frame, in any time frame you take. This is the simple logic which work like magic. And when everybody was bullish on Nifty on a day candle, when it touches 18,114, we came out and said, this is the trap candle. Why? Because this candle is not closed above this candle. None of them came and said it is a trap candle. And you can go back and watch my video. Will it give a genuine buy is my question. On April 4th night, I made the video. This is simply because of my fortune signal. No indicator, nothing except my fortune signals. I have not added pitchfork. I have not added Ichimoku, no trend line, no EMA, no SMA, no RSI, no MACD, whatever you call. We don't need anything. Just open the chart and see this, and we know what's happening. So unless and until Bank Nifty is not going below the prior week low, if it is not closing, understand that closing. If it is not closing below this, nothing to worry. We are in for a good move on the upside. But even here, this candle is not close to below this candle. So this is giving me a little bit of cushion because we are nearing the date, which is a very, very crucial date of the year, which is date of the year is 21st June. So I don't want to cover anything in detail. Mine is done. Let's watch what market is going to give it to us in the coming week. Break below, close below this candle. Bulls has to run for a toss. And for them, the number is already ready in my PPT. So let's go to the PPT for coming week. Okay, so now I'll give this number tomorrow morning, but tomorrow morning, it will be a little delayed, maybe around 12 o'clock. I'll try to go because I'm not there in the market for tomorrow. And below Nifty futures, below our one magic number, and that magic number was given before the expiry opened. It was down 900 points from there, and Bank Nifty has given roughly around 2000 points. So what is our benchmark now? Our benchmark is this, which is our third trend change date, which happened in June. So 14th June is the high and low is the key for us to watch. So exciting week to watch because 3 combination date and fortune signals. Nifty has given a sell. Will it be genuine? We need to watch. Okay, so everything close to below 52 week EMA, 100 weekly SMA. Yes, everything is negative. No positive at this point of time. Let's see whether fortune signals take a U-turn from here and show it is going to win this time, because earlier 2 times we won on the daily front. We clearly said when everybody was bullish, we said no, it is a trap and it is going to come down. Again on April 4th, we said so no, it is a trap, it's going to come down. That is what happened based on a simple observation of fortune signals. Let's see what is going to happen this time. And watch these 2 numbers very closely tomorrow in Bank Nifty. Whenever. And watch these 2 numbers in Nifty for tomorrow or coming week. Okay, Monday first 15 minutes high and low will do the magic, and wait for my number. So this I've clearly mentioned that I'm moving 20% of my balance advantage fund, which we redeemed at 18,600 18,300 level, we are moving into aggressive funds in the coming week. Okay, let the market goes to anywhere. Let it go to 14,500 also, we are happy. Let it go to even 16,000 also, we are happy. But we are moving 20% of our mutual fund portfolio. And watch out for this week. And this week, this week observation I've clearly given 3 weeks before itself. 4th July to 8th July is the key for Dow Jones. Is the key for Dow Jones. Okay. So BTH USD after 7th low, you all know what happened, and I've covered that in a detailed video also. So now tomorrow PCG talk is M&M and Dr. Reddy. So watch these counters for tomorrow based on trend change date. Okay. So tomorrow's number is here. Tomorrow's numbers is here. This is for spot and this is for futures. Okay. And again, all the numbers are bearish. Only this intraday day, it is little bit bullish. All the numbers were bearish, and below this number, Nifty has given already 900 points. And you have this number from the expiry day. When the expiry started, you add this number. And when you go to Bank Nifty, same. 34,598 was the number from the expiry started. You can go and watch the expiry started video. This is the number which I gave. Only one number enough for the entire expiry for 34,598. And it has given already 2,000 points. No option chain, no indicator, nothing. One number magic finished. Okay, so this is for coming week numbers, Bank Nifty and Nifty. So you can watch all these levels. And for Nifty, these are the numbers. Watch out. Let's see whether the bottom is done in Nifty in the coming week. Even though everything looks ugly, let's watch, fingers crossed. Thanks a lot for seeing this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decision. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Little bit tomorrow morning because sailed up with a personal commitment. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.